Hello everyone, it's SBC Franklin County 373 here, and it is spring break for me. Hooray! And it's a Wednesday. See, Wednesday the 19th. Or the 19th, the 12th. Not the 19th. It's Wednesday the 12th. And Wednesday equals weekly test day. So, we have our normal weekly test layout here. I should probably be concerned about that. We have all these radios here that are on KIG 86. And then we have all of these here also on KIG 86. And then this guy right here is on WWG 57. I'm going to try to go ahead and speed run replacing the batteries on this because I know this thing can be really cranky whenever it doesn't have much battery left. So I'll be back when it's weekly test time. Oh.
This is a test of the National Weather Service weather radio warning alarm for WWG 57 for the central highlands of Ohio. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers are automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of these receivers are normally conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. When there is a threat of or existing severe weather in the area, the test will be postponed until the following day. This ends the test of the National Weather Service weather radio warning alarm. At 10 a.m., weather reports for selected...
Okay. We have WWG 57 going on first. So now we have just KIG 86 left. And hopefully that gets going in a few minutes. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put this in the other room. Just for no reason. Put it right here. Alright. Keep it there. Just for no reason. Just for show. For views. I don't know. Alright. Now we just have to wait on ILN. Alright, 30 minutes later, ILN still hasn't tested. And yeah, I have the ER radio that's gonna go off right there. But they haven't tested. And it's 11:29 now, about to be 11:30. They haven't tested, so we're gonna wait. I'll be back if they don't test still, maybe at like 11:45. So it's 11:55. They haven't tested yet.
Here is a special weather statement.
Look here.
For the following counties
Nothing
in Ohio.
Here. They haven't tested yet. So I don't know what's gonna happen here.
Or wildfire spread today.
But they have not tested. I'm gonna go ahead and get my ER50 from the bedroom here. So they have not done their weekly test, and we have 4 minutes left. Oh my gosh, this is wild. ILN, where are you? Oh my god. ILN hasn't tested yet. Get this, so it's 11:56. There are 4 fucking minutes left, and ILN hasn't tested. Hello? This will result in slightly higher relative humidity percentages compared to yesterday. I'll see here. I don't know if they're going to test or not, because it's 11:57 now. And there's 3 minutes until 12 o'clock. And I was going to go out and film the tornado sirens going off. But I don't know anymore. But yeah, there's 3 minutes left, and they haven't tested. So I don't know if they postponed it. I don't know if something happened, but they're not testing. So I'm gonna go ahead and check on ILN'S Facebook or Twitter and see if any updates have been made, but they haven't tested. I'm gonna die. Why haven't they tested yet? And it's 12 o'clock. What the fuck is going on?
Once again at 11 a.m. at the John Glenn Columbus International Airport, it was 49 degrees under fair skies. Here is a hazardous weather outlook for the following counties in Ohio: Champaign,
There's tornado sirens out there.
Fairfield, Pickaway, and Union. Now here
But
is a
they haven't
hazardous
tested
weather
yet,
outlook for East
and it's
Central Indiana,
noon.
Southeast Indiana, Northeast Kentucky, Northern Kentucky,
There's sirens again.
Central Ohio, South Central Ohio,
Hello,
Southwest Ohio,
ILN,
and West
where
Central
are
Ohio.
you? You haven't tested, and it's noon.
There is a low probability for widespread hazardous weather. And now the extended outlook for the period Thursday
I'm gonna see if
Tuesday. Southerly winds
I think I'm gonna go ahead and make a
40 miles
post
an hour on Saturday.
and ask if anybody got any ILN tests because
Heavy rainfall will
G6 didn't test.
Saturday and Saturday night.
Alright, it's 12:08, so I don't think they're gonna test anymore. Maybe tomorrow, we'll see tomorrow. But WW57 is all you're gonna get today. Yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. Wrong! ILN actually did end up testing at 12:12. My God.
This is the National Weather Service Office in Wilmington, Ohio. The preceding signal
This
was
is
detected
fucking
from the weather
insane.
radio station KIG, 86 Columbus, Ohio, public warning system. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated by the signal to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted by the National Weather
12.
Service between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm tone, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally
People
more
don't test
noticeable at
until
greater distances from the
12:12.
transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties: Champaign, Clark, Delaware, Fairfield, Fayette, Franklin, Greene, Hockin, Knox, Licking, Madison, Marion, Morrow, Muskingum, Perry, Pickaway, and Union. This concludes the weekly test of weather radio station KIG, 86 Columbus, Ohio.